I was in a WhatsApp group recently and I saw a message. It reads, "I am in Nairobi jobless, so anyone hiring or knows someone hiring, am here." My first thought was, I feel for this person, that vulnerability, that hope. My second thought was, this is a teaching moment. Because while the intention is pure, the approach can be quietly self-sabotaging. Today, we're not going to judge. We're going to gently deconstruct this message. We will uncover why it often leads to silence, and more importantly, how to transform it into an invitation that makes people want to help you. By the end of this, you will have a simple 3-part framework to communicate your value calmly and confidently, turning a plea into a proposition that opens doors. Let's look at the original message. There are 3 subtle problems we can improve on. It leads with the identity of being jobless. When you lead with what you lack, you inadvertently frame yourself by your circumstance. It puts a label on you before anyone even knows your skills. The shift is simple. Lead with what you are, not what you are not. You are a marketing specialist, a detail-oriented organizer, or a creative writer. Lead with your unique skills. Your identity is your skill, not your current situation. Secondly, asking, "Is anyone hiring?" This is too broad. It's a black hole ask, meaning your ask get lost in the abyss. It gives people nowhere to focus their mental energy. It puts the entire burden on the helper to figure out how you can fit into their world. The solution is to be specific. You must make it easy for people to help you. Instead of any job, make your request specific. For example, "I'm looking for an introduction to a manager in the tech industry," or "I'm looking for spas hiring hairdressers." By being specific, you're giving your contact and potential helper a clear, manageable task. You're making it easier for someone to open the door for you. Finally, being vague in your job search is a missed opportunity for personal branding. The message doesn't showcase any value. It doesn't answer the silent question in every reader's mind, "Why should I recommend you?" The fix is to include a single powerful line about what you do. This is your anchor. It gives people a reason to remember you and a story to tell others. Now, let's weave these 3 fixes into a new, calm, and effective message. Here is a simple structure. First, the anchor. Start with a positive, specific identity. For example, "Hi everyone. I'm a digital marketer with a passion for growing organic engagement on social media." Second, the specific ask. Make your request clear and easy to action. For example, "I am currently seeking new opportunities and would be grateful if anyone could connect me with a marketing manager or a founder in the e-commerce space." And thirdly, the open door. End with a low-pressure invitation. For example, "I'm happy to send my portfolio over. Thank you so much for any leads or advice you can offer." Feel the difference? This message is calm, it's confident, it doesn't beg. It proposes value. It turns you from any other jobless person into a potential asset someone would be proud to recommend. So, we reframe our identity from what we lack to what we offer. We replace a black hole with a specific request. And we seize the opportunity to brand ourselves. Your network is a garden, not a minefield. You cultivate it with value and clarity, not with pleas. The next time you ask, remember, you are not announcing a problem. You are presenting a solution. Which part of this framework, the anchor, the specific ask, or the open door, is a challenge for you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if this calm approach to building your career brought you clarity, subscribe to Brainy Money Makers. Let's continue navigating this journey together.